Hi everyone, I am super happy that my March paper pumpkin has arrived, and so I wanted to open it up with you and show you what's inside. Cute box, by the way. Alright, so on our little piece of paper here we've got some ideas on what to do with the contents of the box. Now, some of you may have heard that March is the anniversary month of paper pumpkin, so there's always a little extra something in the kit, and so this was shown already to us. It's a sponge and some stencils, and I was really excited about these stencils. I think that they can be really fun. I thought there were only 2, but there's actually 4. Somehow I missed that there were going to be 4. Okay, so one is stars, and I think these are 4x4. Yeah, 4x4. Nice size. That'll be fun to use. I love the stars. And then you've got some fun clouds. And we've got some little mountain ranges. And I think you can kind of see how they line up. You can move the stencil around to kind of give yourself snowy tips and different things. So I'm going to do some how to use this one videos after I get done with this. And then here, fun sunburst. So these are some really fun stencils, and then they give you a sponge. Now I cut my sponges up actually and turn them into wedges, so I usually cut them into 6, so I cut them in half and then in 3 on each side. So that's what I do. Okay, let's take a look at the stamp set. Super cute trees. I really like that. That's cute. So we've got a nice little tree line here, and then some flowers. This looks like some flying birds. And then the sayings are, here's to you, congratulations, all the best for a happy, healthy, and prosperous year, happy birthday, and let's see, may your journey through life take you to many new and exciting places. So that would be nice with the congratulations. So all kinds of really cute, usable stamps. You know, I really like that about Paper Pumpkin, the sentiments. They always give us really nice sentiments, and they're smaller sizes so they fit on a lot of our labels and things. Like I've got this label die out on my desk right now, and I bet most of these would fit on there. So really great stamps always come in a kit, and they add to your collection, and you'll just kind of, and even if you don't buy anything but Paper Pumpkin, you're going to get an ink spot every month and a stamp set every month, and they don't repeat the colors for 12 months. So like this is Calypso Coral this month. So you've got that, and then you're going to keep getting new colors and new stamps each month, and you're going to end up with a really great collection over the year. You're going to end up with all your holidays and really nice sentiments. So anyway, something to think about. Okay, here is the inside of the kit. It makes 8 standard size cards. Okay, I love the craft envelopes. We used to sell craft envelopes, and I kind of bought a ton when they discontinued them, but I finally ran out. Okay, so you've got your adhesives and some linen thread, another favorite thing that I use a ton of. So here are our envelopes, and then these are cute little envelope liners. So that is fun. You can stick those little liners right inside your envelope. Like so. Very cute. Okay, so we've got some fun envelopes. And it makes 2 different cards. So here are the bases for those cards. This looks like pretty peacock. Okay, and then we've got, ooh, fun, here's some more adhesive. All right, and then here are some elements. That's really pretty, a nice little scene here. Some labels for our sentiments. Some additional little pieces here. And then these look interesting, little die cut tree lines here. Very fun. So let's take a look at that picture of what the projects end up looking like. So there's 2 different varieties, and you can change up your sentiments. They've got happy birthday on this one and here's to you on that one, but you can change that around. and 4 of each, and then detailed instructions on how to put those together. And then on the back, they've got some suggestions on what you can do with the pieces in the kit, how to just use the stamps in other ways, how to use the envelope liner as a background if you'd rather, just different alternate ways to do the kit. How to use those tree stamps. And then they don't show you, well, on that little slip of paper they did, ideas for using the stencils. Like here they use the stars, and here's that sunburst. How fun is that? And then the mountains. So really cute set. Now I always get extra in case you missed out on this month's kit. So if you need one and you wish you had gotten it, contact me. I may have one left. Also, I will come back and make some things with these stencils. So if you did get the kit, if you're one of my Paper Pumpkin subscribers or subscribe from someone else, and you want some ideas on how to use those stencils, check back. Alright, so that was the Here's to You Paper Pumpkin kit for March. Now next month's kit is super cute. I'll put a picture of it up at my Facebook site and my blog soon. It's got a very summertime feel to it, and the colors, it looks really bright and cheerful, and they gave, you know, they always give a little kind of hint as to what it's going to look like, and it looks like summer fun to me. And it looks like the cards are going to be shaped. They're standard size, so they fit in a standard envelope, but it looks like they have a shape to them. Like the one that I saw looks like a popsicle. So how cute is that, and totally fun for upcoming summer months. Thanks for watching. Bye.